Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the environment. Update your Gigabyte BIOS to the latest stable release because secure boot fixes rely on updated firmware. Once done, boot into UEFI and change OS type to Windows UEFI or Windows 8/10. This flips secure boot options visible to you. Make sure Compatibility Support Module, CSM, is set to disabled so UEFI booting is enforced. Also have a FAT32 USB installer and a copy of the Riot Vanguard installer ready so you can reinstall after enabling secure. Now focus on the middle steps. Disable CSM and force UEFI-only boot so the motherboard can load secure boot variables. Then open Secure Boot Key Management and install or restore the platform keys. Choose the factory or default keys so Windows recognizes signed loaders and drivers. Set Secure Boot Mode to Standard or Windows. Save and reboot. Check Windows system information for Secure Boot status reading on. This ensures the kernel driver signature enforcement required by Vanguard will be accepted by the platform. Finish by reinstalling Vanguard with Secure Boot active. Uninstall Vanguard, reboot into Windows, then run the Valorant installer which reinstalls the signed driver under Secure Boot. Once installed, launch Valorant to trigger Vanguard service start. You should see it running in services. If the driver fails, go back to UEFI and clear, and then reinstall the default platform keys. This fixes corrupted key stores. Make sure to re-enable Secure Boot and verify in Windows system information that Secure Boot is on before retrying the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.